Maak hulle mooi vir jou.
Thank you.
Okay, what do you want to? Let me see. That looks lovely, eh? And you've got lovely control over your brush. Very nice. How do you find that angle brush? It's better than the pointy brush, eh? It's much more control.
Yes.
Because the hair is shorter.
Okay.
The shorter the hair, the stiffer the brush is. The longer the hair, think like a dog's tongue. It's like, it's like licky. So that's a short, stiff brush, which makes it more controllable.
That's really nice.
Yeah. Okay, so what have we got? What do you want to show me?
So, when we went with this girl, I thought maybe, so the picture is that way.
Mm.
Maybe if it was if she's like swinging into the cloud.
You want to put her here? Is that what you want to put her? Is that what you're asking me?
No, no. If she was the other way around.
Mm-hmm. So then she would be that way. Can you
Yeah.
flip this thing?
No,
I don't mind her this way around. You know
But
why?
how does it fit with the clouds? I was thinking.
Bring her over more this way.
I thought if she was here,
Yeah,
swinging,
going that way. Yeah.
swinging into the clouds, maybe.
Do you know why I like her this way? Because it's unusual.
Yeah.
So I would actually, what if you bring it from here, not there, from just over the middle here.
That
So
she's here.
yeah, so just make sure you don't pick the middle. So you bring it down, say either this side of the middle or that side of the middle, and then you bring it down here, and she's in swing. I would put her here, not here, like here. She's
Yeah.
swinging here,
So,
and she needs to be about this big, about as big as that
Okay.
in here. It's going to look nice. I really think it will look very nice.
Yeah. I don't know how I'm going to do this.
Just do it like I showed you the last time. So do your pencil and then remember basic shapes.
Yeah.
So if you look
So
at,
circle.
yeah. So if you look at that, there's a rectangle. That's a cone. That's a cone. This is a circle. There's a bit of a cone in there. That's a cone. There's a cone. You can just break it
Break it
up in
down.
smaller. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Nice. Yeah. Just for simple shapes is always what works. Okay, Simone. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just the basics. Yeah. Okay, so then once you've got the basics in, we're gonna draw the outline with a burnt sienna, and then we're gonna wash in the darks and the lights, just with one color, and then we'll start adding the other colors. Okay, just with the darks and the lights wherever you see these, yeah, darks. You could maybe use even a Payne's Grey for that. That would work as well. Okay, anyway, once you're there, how's it going here? Oh, that's a beautiful color. Dark side violet. Very nice. Okay, so what she's doing is she's learning to mix tints, tones, and shades. So tints is plus white, tones is plus grey, and shades is plus black. So, is this thing? Are you guys hot? Must I put the fan off or on, or does it bother you, the noise? Probably needs a bit of. Oh my word! Look at my two perfectionists here. Huh? Very nice though. I'll have to put you in my book when I publish it. Okay. Okay, and you understand the three. I mean, you should be good because of the photography. And Alicia, you are very good at figuring things out. So you do both understand the thing that the midtone gives the volume.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Makes total sense. It brings it to life
Yeah.
to give the curvature,
Yes.
3Dness. And I love scumbling for shading. It's my favorite.
Yeah,
technique.
is it?
Yeah.
Oh, surprise, surprise. Let me see. Okay, yeah, we've also got tints, tones, and shades. That is such a nice color, eh?
Ek moet mos nou elke keer met dieselfde ene
Yes.
hier
Yes.
begin. Ja,
Yes.
okay.
So these 6 are identical.
Yes.
But just
Yes.
Yeah, okay. But slowly. But keep your first one there,
Okay.
so that you can see that your transition works.
Okay. Cool.
Website connection, dis hoe mens meer klasmense kry. Dan kan jou online classes ook groei.
Yeah, I'm busy with the online classes now actually.
Maar as jy dit connect op YouTube en jy promote jouself om te sê in klasse, dan het jy worldwide people wat
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Very good.
Guys,
Yeah. Listen, guys, we need to think about doing an exhibition sometimes this year. I want to do an exhibition for you guys. So I'm just thinking if you come up with suggestions for me, what times do you see it would be good? Let me see.
as soon as we start painting.
Very funny.
My book.
Yeah, you can as a demo. Okay, that's looking better. Are you getting it? Okay, very nice. Yes, but the paint. Okay, just add a little bit more water and a little bit more glycerine. But that's, yeah, that's fine what you're doing. Okay, so position 1, 2, and 3. Okay, anybody need help? Okay, we're small class today. Okay, I'm going to make myself a coffee. And Rowena, in the end, when you start painting, you're going to see you're going to use all of these brushes eventually. Every brush has their own function.
Okay.
You're coming right there, Marianne. Let me see. Yeah. You've got the right idea. And she's about the right size. Yeah, no, I think it will work. You can do it. You will do it. Don't worry about it. And that's it for today.